Welcome! In front of me I have Polar Ignite 3 and I'm gonna show you how to turn off this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. Then tap on the general settings. Now scroll down and find the about your watch. Once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down and find the power off or shutdown option. We have it here, turn off, this icon. Once you find it, tap on it to select it, then tap on the check mark to confirm and turn off the watch. And that's how you turn off this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.